Non-functional requirements specify the quality attributes that a software system should have, such as reliability, performance, scalability, security, and usability. They are just as important as functional requirements, which describe what the software should do. Good NFRs are essential to the success of software projects, as they define how well the software should work and how it should behave under different conditions. In this paper, we will discuss the value of good non-functional requirements and provide examples of how they contribute to the success of software projects. The value of good non-functional requirements. Clear and specific. Good non-functional requirements are clear and specific, providing a clear understanding of what is expected from the software. For example, a good non-functional requirement for performance might state that the software should respond to user requests within 2 seconds. This is clear and specific, leaving no room for interpretation. Testable. Good non-functional requirements are testable, meaning that they can be verified and validated. For example, a good non-functional requirement for reliability might state that the software should be able to operate for 24 hours without failure. This is testable, as there are clear and objective measures that can be used to assess whether the software meets the requirement. Measurable. Good non-functional requirements are measurable, meaning that they can be quantified or qualified. For example, a good non-functional requirement for usability might state that the software should have a minimum user satisfaction score of 80%. This is measurable, as there are specific metrics that can be used to measure the software's compliance with the requirement. Alignment. Good non-functional requirements are aligned with the goals of the software project. They support the overall objectives of the software and contribute to its success. For example, a good non-functional requirement for security might state that the software should be compliant with industry standards and regulations. This is aligned with the goals of the software project, as compliance with industry standards is essential for the success of the software. Examples of good non-functional requirements. Performance. The software should respond to user requests within 2 seconds. Reliability. The software should be able to operate for 24 hours without failure. Scalability. The software should be able to handle 100,000 simultaneous users. Security. The software should be compliant with industry standards and regulations. Usability. The software should have a minimum user satisfaction score of 80%. Compatibility. The software should be compatible with the latest version of all major web browsers. Conclusion. In conclusion, good non-functional requirements are essential to the success of software projects. They define how well the software should work and how it should behave under different conditions. Good NFRs are clear and specific, testable, measurable, and aligned with the goals of the software project. Careful consideration of non-functional requirements during the software development process can greatly improve the quality and success of the software.